All right, pay attention now, because you do not need a credit card to earn points and miles. And today, I'm gonna share my top 5 ways to do just that. You heard me. You can get points for these without having any of these. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, share some of my favorite ways to do it, and more importantly, what you need to know to get started. But before we get into all that, hi, I'm Lonnie, and if you're the type of person who wants to travel on points and miles, then you're no longer playing the credit card game. You're playing against it. No worries though, because I have a cheat code. Not only a way to earn more points and miles towards that upcoming vacation, but how to do it without a single credit card. That's right, no bank or issuer needed for any of these 5. And you know what? I don't think number 4 is talked about enough. So let's talk about it. To start, let's jump right into it with the first option today, and that's shopping portals. Shopping portals are affiliate websites that partner with various retailers and businesses to entice you to shop with them. And in return for shopping with their link or site, their referring travel partner will reward you with points or miles. This normally looks like shop at X, earn Y points. For example, using the United Airlines shopping portal, you can see that some of my regularly shopped stores like Nike, Home Depot, and Adidas are all offering additional miles. Just a simple click, and I'd be on my way to earning extra miles directly into my United account. Now, there are 2 things to keep in mind here. First, these offers are dynamic, meaning they can change literally at any time. So what you see as low or only 2 miles per dollar today could easily be 10 miles per dollar tomorrow. And being that these are kind of low at the moment, I'd personally go check a different shopping portal if I was looking to make a purchase today. Which brings me to my second point. There's more than one shopping portal out there. Almost everyone has one. United, American, Delta, JetBlue, Southwest, Alaska Airlines, all have one. And if you fancy transferable points, Chase, Capital One, and Citi have them as well. All right, moving on to number 2, staying on the shopping theme. Next, we have shopping extensions. Now, don't get this confused with a web extension, even though it is that too. But a shopping extension is an indirect shopping affiliate that also provides you additional rewards when you use their service. Usually, this comes in the form of cash back, but that's not always the case. I'll explain. But before we get to that, a shopping extension is an embedded application which you can download to your preferred web browser that will automatically scan for deals or, let's be honest, and also share some of your info back to that retailer in return for a percentage of your purchase. Now, you may already know of companies like Klarna or Honey, but there's also Rakuten. And for multiple reasons, we're gonna focus on this one. The main reason why is because with Rakuten, you have an option to receive your rewards as American Express membership reward points versus cash back, as long as you have an Amex Rewards account. And before you try to come at me in the comments, Lonnie, you said I didn't need a credit card. You're right, I did. And you can get an Amex Rewards account by signing up for an American Express checking account with their debit card. Boom, a place to deposit your points. Got 'em. But another feature that I like about Rakuten is that you can use it on both mobile and web. Your phone, tablet, laptop, same as how you like to watch YouTube. Meaning, however or whenever you shop, there's no reason to miss out on extra Amex points. And speaking of YouTube, I'm interested to know, how are you watching this video? On your phone, your laptop, TV? Let me know in the comments and let's take a poll. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And if you're interested in earning with Rakuten, check my link tree in the description. You can earn $30 or 3,000 membership reward points after your first $30 purchase. Hey, free points. And I thank you in advance if you decide to use it. All right, moving on to number 3, we have dining programs, okay? And not gonna lie, I love dining programs. If you don't believe me, check out this video. But why though? That's because they are the literal definition of set it and forget it. And also the absolute most inclusive way to earn points. Hold on, I'll explain. A dining program is similar to a shopping portal with the exception that once you set it up, you'll no longer need a website going forward. Well, unless you plan to change dining programs. With dining programs, once again, you'll choose the program in which you want to earn additional points or miles. Then add your cards to said program wallet. Going back to why I said it's so inclusive is because you can add pretty much any type of card to these dining programs. Not only have I added debit cards, but I've also added those super annoying gift card, credit card things that you usually get for like your birthday or on the holidays. You know the ones your Aunt Kathy always seems to get, and you're at the store like, can I pay with 2 cards? I have exactly $50 on this one and I'll put the rest on this one. Yeah, those. You can add those to dining programs as well. And the best part is a restaurant is way easier to split payment than a retail store. So just go out and eat at your partner restaurant on purpose or by accident and let the points roll in. And the last thing before we jump away from dining programs, once again, everyone has one. So pick your poison, or better yet, whichever points currency you're working on: Chase, Hilton, United, IHG, Bilt, and more. Now, the only caveat would be that a card can only be part of one dining program at a time. So make sure you choose the best one for your earning. And don't forget to switch partners when you need to. You don't want to be earning United miles when you're in need of IHG points. That wouldn't be good. Okay, number 4, the silent sleeper, partner reward programs. Can I just be honest for a second? Why aren't more people talking about these? These are so easy. I can almost guarantee you're missing out on easy points simply because you didn't link an account. Anyway, partner programs are the Batman and Robin of the point stacking world. These dynamic duos are formed when 2 brands join forces, allowing you to earn points at one brand when you make a purchase at another. Shop with us, stay with them, or fly with us and shop with them. These are absolutely everywhere. Here are just a few of my favorites that I use. First, we have Lyft, where you can earn either 3 Hilton points or 2 Bilt points for every dollar you spend with Lyft. And if you fly Delta or stay at Marriott's often, they're partnered with Uber, earning you miles or hotel points on every Uber ride you take. There's also American Airlines, who's partnered with Shell gas stations, allowing you to earn 3 AA miles for every gallon of gas. But the most overlooked one, in my opinion, are rental car options. Can we be real for a second? When was the last time you used rental car points to book a car? I'll wait. Thought so. So why not earn points or miles that better fit your needs? And yes, you can 100% do that. Do you rent with Avis or Budget? Change your rewards to United, Delta, Hawaiian, IHG, or Hyatt instead. Maybe you're a Hertz renter. Well, you could be earning IHG, Marriott, Alaskan Air, or Southwest miles, and there are many more, just too many to list in this video. So you'll just have to check it out for yourself. But we're not done yet. The other main reason why I love partner programs and all the other options I mentioned in this video is because these points and mile earnings count as activity on the respective rewards accounts. If you've followed my channel for a while, then you know I don't regularly fly American Airlines. So why do I care to earn their miles? Well, for 3 simple reasons. 1, $1 billion company is giving me their currency for free. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. 2, these miles and points do add up. Eventually, 100 pennies will equal $1, and those earnings over a set amount of time could prevent me from having to transfer points to top off a future vacation. But the most important reason is that these small options keep my accounts open, meaning depending on the airline or hotel, your miles could expire after a certain amount of time of inactivity. With American, it's 24 months. Meaning if I do not add any points to my AA account in 24 months, I could lose them. And IHG points, they expire after only 12 months. Now, I know if you have the credit card, that will most often keep your accounts open. But we're not doing credit cards today, remember? And this is a super easy way to earn more points and keep them from expiring at the same time. So double check that none of your apps or partners you regularly use have a partner reward program. I appreciate it. All right. And last, but definitely not least, at number 5 today, we have the United Mileage Plus X app. Go ahead and switch on beast mode for me over there. Just seriously, you've heard me say this before. I can earn United miles faster than I can burn them. Well, that's partially due because of this app. To keep it simple, it's a digital gift card app. You open it up, select one of the many retailers and restaurants in it, then enter the amount of the transaction, and boom, instant gift card and miles added to your account. I'll use this while standing at the register in most stores, but that's not the best part. There's more. First, if you have any of United's credit cards, hold on, you don't need to have a United card, but if you just so happen to have one, then you'll earn an additional 25% boost of the miles on your purchase. So you'd earn 1,000 miles, but by having a United card, you'll get 1,250 miles instead. But the other thing is you can combine these United gift cards with United Shopping Portal, meaning go shop online with United Shopping Portal, pay with the gift card you just purchased in the MPX app, and literally rake in the miles. I cannot preach about this one enough. Oh, and United miles don't expire, by the way. So you could honestly go hard with United Shopping Portal, dining program, and app for a few months and literally have a free flight. I kid you not. And still, no credit card needed at all. Across all of these, it's crazy how much you can earn. So don't leave any points lying around. And if you want some more tips that do require a credit card, consider becoming a member of the channel. I go into much deeper detail about these things there. And of course, there's always this video, or here's the one that I mentioned earlier. Happy hunting, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.